Pain can overwhelm us, not only physically, but mentally. When pain gets out of hand, it can become part of our identity and even consume our entire sense of self, having entire days revolving around the pain. So let's begin by taking 3 nice big deep breaths, paying attention to your belly and lungs expanding when you do so. 1 fully in, and exhale, letting your body relax. 2, breathe deeply and let any worrisome thoughts just fade away. And exhale. 3, filling your body with as much oxygen as you can. And let the air escape from your body, relaxing you even further. Good. Allow your mind to drift and wander to the thought of a small, ornate, hand-built fountain. This is the fountain of relaxation. It is built in a way that the water level is waist high and easy for you to access. Maybe there is a sculpture that the water comes out from, splashing down into the basin. Or perhaps the water shoots up and out, glistening down in a beautiful way. However you see this fountain, picture it very vividly in as much detail as you can. You notice the water is crystal clear, but it also seems to glow with a golden light. Touch your hand to the side of the fountain and feel the way it is built and how sturdy it is. Now, dip your fingers into the golden water and you feel a profound relaxation in your fingertips. You dip your entire hand in this healing water. The pleasure that this water brings you is so wonderful that you must have more. So gather some in your right hand and splash it onto your left forearm. Gather some more and cover your upper arm and shoulder with this water. The moisture on your skin is glistening in the sunlight, similar to how a diamond reflects light. Do the same with your left hand, cupping the water and splashing it on your right arm. And right shoulder. This water is not only extremely soothing, but its appearance is stunning. Cup both hands together and gather some more of this glowing substance in your hands. Gathering as much as you can, watching it slip through your fingers a little and spilling over the edges of your hands. And this time, bring the water to your mouth for a drink. The water touches your lips and is sublime. This water is heavenly. It nourishes you. It relaxes you. Take another handful and drink some more. Gather one more handful to splash on your face. The water seems to wash away all the worries you've ever carried in your facial expressions over the years. Notice how you feel. Really nice, isn't it? Relax somewhere near this fountain, feeling completely free and clear and open-minded. Begin to visualize yourself strong, healthy, and moving without restriction or tightness. See yourself very clearly being in full health, completely pain-free. Just imagine that you are moving about effortlessly. Notice what you are doing. Make this visualization vivid with as much detail as possible. You can see yourself growing stronger. Taking steps towards strengthening your body. Use your powerful imagination to see yourself very clearly, strong and healthy. If you could do anything without the fear of pain, what would it be? Imagine it now, doing this thing you love to do. Make the colors bright. Look around and see the things in your surroundings. Notice how your body is moving. See and feel the expression on your face when you are free of pain. Good. Now make some connections in this visual with people you love and know. See them now, so happy that you have overcome chronic pains. They are smiling and congratulating you on how strong you've made your body and how patient you've been in your healing process. See these people clearly, happy for you, and feel their appreciation. You are fully healed. You are happy. But most of all, you are grateful. Feel a deep sense of gratefulness right now for being healthy and taking the steps to strengthen your body. Breathe deeply now, feeling the power of this visual when you do so. Now, just let your mind wander and drift, letting the relaxation in your body grow. Counting down from 5, with each number you hear, you feel more and more relaxed. Your mind opens to this wonderful visualization. 5. Your relaxation doubles. 4. Deeply relaxing. 3. Feeling calm and peaceful. 2. You haven't felt this relaxed in a very long time. And 1. You are 100 times more relaxed than before you started this meditation. Now listen closely and hear these words deeply. You are completely pain-free when you take the steps towards health. You are in full health, growing stronger every single day. Now say to yourself, with honesty and conviction, I am strong. I am healthy. I do things without the fear of pain. I do the things I love to do. I move about effortlessly. I am growing stronger every day. I move about without restriction. I am healthy. I am grateful for my improvement on my health. I am grateful for those people who encourage me to be healthy and overcome chronic pains. I do not fear pain anymore. Good. Breathe deeply now, feeling these words. You are extremely intelligent, and you have the power within you to overcome anything. It is extremely important that you fully trust that your body is stronger than you've been made to believe. Great. You've made amazing advancements today. Whenever you are ready, return to the present moment, ready to tackle the fear of pain head on.